Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn multiple inheritance. When a class can be derived from more than one class, this is type of inheritance is called multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, all the features of the base classes are inherited into the derived class. So let's take an example here. So I have a class and B class. These all are my parent class, and there should be more than one base class or parent class in multiple inheritance. So the both parent class is derived to the child class. So in this case, all the properties and all the method derived to the child class from the parent class. So let's take an example. So here I have a base class one, or this, you can call this is a parent class. So let's say I have a variable, let's say mother name, or you can call as an attribute. Okay, let's say create a method. Let's say method first set keyword and print self dot mother name. All right. So again with the parent class two or base class two, let's say father name, get a method. Let's say define father self print self dot father's name. So here I create a method inside the our parent class one, that is our mother, and also I create another method, that is our father method, inside the father base class or father parent class. So here again, so I can do one thing. So I can also create a method inside the uh, derived class. So inside the derived class, that is my class name is son, and I pass the mother and father both class, because in the multiple inheritance, that there should be more than one parent class. So if there is a more than one parent class, then you can pass by comma, by separated by a comma. So first is my mother is my parent class one, so I pass the mother and comma, then father is my another parent class, so I pass as in comma father. So then create a method. Let's say my method's name is parents, pass the attribute self, then print let's say father, self dot father's name, say print the self dot mother name. All right. All right. Then next thing is we have to initialize the object. Okay. So I would say s1 is my variable, and object is my son, and son is my derived class, and I this is called as a object initializations. So after that we have to call the method using our object. So s1 is my object. So s1 dot father name equal to, let's say, Adam is my father's name. Let's say naming the mother name as well as mother name equal to F. All right. So I naming the our father name and mother name using our object. So again, next thing is we have to call our method. So our call our method from the derived class using our object. So let's say s1 dot our method is parents inside the derived class parents. So then I can here, that is here I can call the method. Okay. So s1 dot parents. So this is, if I run this, it will give me the output that is father and mother name. Let's say print. Let's say run. Okay. Let me run this code. Okay, it will give me the output that father is name is Adam and mother name is F. So in this case, whenever I call the initialize the object with a derived class, then I rename the father name, that is Adam, and mother name is F. Then I call, whenever I call the method name, then it will call the saved father name and saved mother name, and father name is or Adam and mother name is or F. Okay, in this example we learn multiple inheritance. So in the next example we are going to learn more deeply about the multiple inheritance.